Kooglu, Pooglu. Hey guys, today we're gonna learn the name for a group of animals. Do you know what a group of ducks is called? Let's find out. Let's go! So here we got a squirrel, and here we got squirrels. What do we call a group of squirrels? We call them a dray or a scurry. Here we got a bat and bats. What do we call a group of bats? A colony or a cloud? So here we got a pig and pigs. Oink, oink, oink. We call a group of pigs a drove, drift, or a team. Here we got a horse, and we got multiple horses. What do we call a group of horse? We call them a team or a harass. Here we got a cat and a group of cats. Here we call them a pounce or a clouder. Here we got a cow and then some other cows. Wow. We call a group of cows a herd or a fold. Wow. Here we got a chicken. And we got multiple chickens. We call them a peep or a brood, a group of chickens. Here we got a dog and dogs. We call them a pack or a litter. Here we got a rabbit and rabbits. We call them a colony or a warren. Here we got a donkey and multiple donkeys. We call a group of donkeys a drove. Here we got sheep and multiple sheep. What do we call a group of sheep? We call them a flock. Here we got a monkey, and then we got a group of monkeys. What do we call a group of monkeys? A troop or a barrel. Here we got a camel and multiple camels. What do we call a group of camels? A caravan. Here we got an ant and ants. What do we call a group of ants? I think we all know. A colony or an army. Here we got a crane and multiple cranes. What do we call a group of cranes? A sedge. Here I got a frog, ribbit, ribbit. And here we got multiple frogs. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. We call them an army or a colony, a group of them. Here we got a goose and geese. And what do we call a group of geese? We call them a gaggle or a flock. Here we got a fish, and here we got multiple fishes. Bloop, 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 bloop. We call a group of fishes a school or a shawl. Here we got a duck. And here we got multiple ducks. We call a group of ducks a flock, skein, or a raft. Here we got a parrot and multiple parrots. Call a group of parrots pandemonium or a company.
Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.